Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through the OpenShift approval process in the job scheduler. When scheduling shifts, admins can choose to publish an OpenShift for users to claim. Just go to the job scheduler, add a new shift, fill in the details, and check the box to enable shift claiming. Set the number of spots needed for the shift, and choose whether admin approval is required for claimed shifts. OpenShift requests can be viewed directly from the schedule, directly in the shift, or in the Requests tab. In the Requests tab, you'll see all users who have requested to claim the shift. The top right corner displays the total requests, filled spots, and remaining openings. Here you can also sort requests by various criteria or filter them based on user profile fields. Before approving or declining a request, you can review key details for each submission, including the employee's total shifts for the week, claimed shifts for the week, shifts on the requested day, and shifts claimed on that day. Click the downward arrow to see all shifts assigned to the user for the week. Once you reach a decision, click the check mark to approve the request or the X to decline. When ready to publish, either click on Confirm Assigning, which will send a push notification to users with accepted requests, or the bell icon, which will publish shifts while allowing you to customize notifications, select recipients, and add a message. Then click Confirm. Once they claim the shift, the status will change to Pending Approval. If the request has been rejected, the shift status will appear as rejected. If it has been approved, the shift will appear in their schedule regularly. That's it. Thank you for watching. For further assistance, don't hesitate to check out more articles in our Help Center.